Okay guys, so once again, another day. Have a great day everyone. So today I'm gonna show you to how to install an application software. So let's continue our video. So here, this is my VMware Workstation 9. And then kung naalala ninyo, no, ito yung in-install natin nakaraan kung nasubaybayan nyo. So I gonna do this is turn on or power on. So click only this, power on this virtual machine. So ito yung ginamit natin nakaraan o yung kahapon sa mga nakasubaybay sa video ko. So let's wait a while for this booting. Beside of the VMware sa pinakababa, lower part on left side, press Ctrl G using your keyboard to direct your mouse in this VMware or click inside of this VMware. All gonna to do is click Ctrl G. So loading. Ayan guys, so welcome. Let's wait for a while. Ito yung install natin nakaraan, no? It's all about the installation of Windows 7 Ultimate. Para ma-release nga ulit pala natin yung ating cursor sa mga user ng VMware Workstation dun sa pinakababa on the lower left side of VMware, Control Alt. So try ko ulit, Control Alt. Yan. Okay, so gonna to do is maximize this or full screen ko itong aking VMware. Yan. So let's continue. And then for my internet connection, try ulit natin guys. CMD for the DOS command. And then I'm gonna type ipconfig, enter. Still yung pa rin yung IP address niya, 192.168.67.2. So okay naman po. So now we're gonna to do is connect my USB flash drive. Ito po siya. Yan. So installing of device driver software. Here guys, kapag meron tayong internet connection, don't forget to download some application or installer. But always remember, pagkatapos natin mag-install ng isang operating system, saka pa lang kayo magda-download at mag-install ng driver's pack solution. Yun yung kailangan natin, no? Yan, properties. Ito po siya. Ang gagawin naman natin, so since meron tayong internet connection, don't forget to download first drivers po and browser. So, ito na yung browser natin, no? So, in computer system servicing, may pagkakataon na yung assessor, titignan niya kung paano ka mag-download ng utilities or any browser. So, try ko dito, mag-open ako, explore tayo. I'm gonna choose Google Chrome. Google Chrome free. Yan. Ayan, dito tayo kay Google Chrome mismo. Sa link ni Google Chrome. Download Chrome. Yan. So, alamin mo kung anong version ang compatible para sa mismo computer mo. So, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10. Ganun lang naman kasimple yun. And then, your download begin automatically if didn't start. Click download Chrome. Ayan na po. So, let's do this. Run. And then, run. So, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? Yes. So, yun lang guys. So, una, nagda-download tayo ng browser that is si Google Chrome. Very simple. Mga 2 minutes to ang pagda-download. It depends on the signal of our internet connection. And then, yan, downloading. Waiting for installing. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy lang po siya. Habang hinihintay natin, so nilagay ko na yung flash drive kung naalala nyo kanina. Ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano yung pag-i-install ng antivirus. Very simple. So, SMADAP, click yes. Okay. Etong scenario na to, this is the wizard. So, click next. This is what you call the license agreement, memorandum of agreement. So, I agree, I accept the agreement. Or kung ayaw mo naman, disagree, or I do not. Hindi tayo makakapag-proceed. Somehow, let's click I accept the agreement. Next. And create desktop icon. Next. Install. And, and then, click finish. So, we're done. Meron na tayo na install sa ating desktop. A browser for Google Chrome and antivirus or utilities for SMADAB. So, ganun lang po kabilis mag-install at mag-download ng isang application software. Always remember, read first the instruction. So, yun lang po, no? So, guys, yun, nag-update ang aking drivers and then, nag-update rin ang aking antivirus. So, nag-update. Now, how to check the task manager of our computer? On this part bar, right-click, and then on taskbar, click Start Task Manager. And then in here, makikita natin yung status ng ating system unit, yung performance. So like this, the CPU usage, the memory usage, and then always remember, importanteng naka-update ang ating mga utilities para sumasabay rin siya sa mga features na merong bago. Especially, meron rin kasing mga problema na encounter o yung tinatawag nating bugs. Yan. Para sila rin yung tutulong para ma-maintain yung system ng ating computer. So, yun lang guys. Networking. And then client, ako po yung naka-login. Okay, yan. So, tapos na tayo. Thank you guys. So, yun lang po. Have a blessed day and thank you for watching this video. Thank you and bye-bye.